Okay, guys, I wet sanded this down already a little bit. As you can see, it's damn near perfect. Now this is just, I'll go through the process one more time with you guys. I'll show you what I did. Take a little piece of 2000 sandpaper. This is wet or dry. Let me get a little bit of water on this. Hold on. What I do, I wet the sandpaper. This is rubbing compound, turtle wax rubbing compound. Get a little bit on there. Now, I'm still working on, I don't know if you can see the paint crease right here. I'm still working on this. This is what you do. Move it around a little bit. And we take our little buffer here. Let's see what that did. See, that's damn near perfect, guys. Can't see, you can no longer see the paint line. And this doesn't even have clear coat on it yet. It's not even clear coated. Now we're going to do up here, we're going to do this other paint line a little bit more. Again, with a little bit of water, a little bit of rubbing compound. Watch your edges. Okay, I'll hit this with a buffer. Well, take a look. Not bad, guys. Here, let me. So, you could still see right here. You can still, you can't no longer feel, you can't feel the paint line anymore. You can't feel it, but you can see it. Now, once I spray the clear coat on, it should. What you want to do now, the clear coat, I'm going to end it like right on the ridge here. That's where we'll end it. Then we'll buff the clear coat right over the top of the edge. And should be about it. You never even tell there was a crack in that. Okay. Yeah, I'd say it's coming out pretty damn good, guys. Not bad, man. It's still, it's almost impossible to completely make this like nothing ever happened to it. It's almost impossible to get it perfect. But we're going to see what this looks like once I spray the clear and once I hit it with the polish. If I don't like it, I'm going to put some kind of flame design on this. Okay. I'll catch you later.